Hi guys, we have here the Pravana Vivid Mood Color Heat Activated Color Pigments Base Cream. That's a nice special limited edition product from Pravana. Just want to give you guys a quick look at what you receive inside the box here. So let's go ahead and open this up for you guys just to show you what comes in the kit. So you open that up and then you see what's in there. Let's dump this out for you guys so you guys can see what you receive in the kit. Great quality product from a highly respected brand. Let's pull everything out of the box here. So it's just temporary color, you know, temporary. Gotta remind everyone. We have lime green to sunny yellow, tropical peach to invisible, cool violet to warm pink, and smoky gray to invisible. You have the base cream, and you have the sticks to apply it on. So if you're interested in purchasing this or any of the Pravana products, please visit the link in the description below. Please subscribe to our channel. Please like and please share, and have a great day.